Welcome to SyncWords Academy. In this video, we will demonstrate how to schedule human captions for a live event. Let's get started. From your SyncWords live dashboard, click the Schedule an Event button. Select the Human Captions tab and fill out all the required details. Please note that human captioners are not automatically assigned, and all human captioning requests must be sent to our sales team at least 2 to 3 business days prior to your event start time. If the request is not sent to our sales team, we cannot guarantee that a human captioner will be assigned to your event. Now, let's fill out the form. The first thing we need is an event title. This will be viewable by attendees on our captions page. You can add an optional subtitle, which will also be viewable by attendees. Next, specify the date of your event, as well as the start and end times. Please note, the start and end times cannot be the same, and the end time must be within 12 hours of the start time. You can change the time zone being used to schedule the event if you want to use something different than what is set in your profile settings. Next, select the source language for your event, which is the language in which human captioning will be provided. Currently, we offer 5 options: English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, and German. You will then need to specify an audio source for your live event. The assigned captioner will use these details to join the event and receive the audio feed. There are several options to choose from, such as a dial-in number, a Skype ID, or a meeting webcast link. Please ensure the indicated information is accurate. If you have additional notes on how to access the audio source, like a meeting password for example, you can add the information to the audio notes section. Let's move on to the contact section. Here, you can select an existing member of your account or add a new contact. If necessary, this contact information will be used by the captioner or our technician during or while setting up for the event. This contact should include a name, email, and phone number for effective communication. Add any notes you want our captioners to have in this section. These notes typically include the topics being covered, discussion points, agendas, speaker names, terminology, or acronyms pertinent to the event. Basically, any information that will help ensure our captioners can be as accurate as possible. You can also upload supporting documents like a run of show, agendas, or PowerPoint slides to further assist the captioner. Essentially, anything you think will help the captioner be as accurate as possible. Once everything is set up, click on Create Event. Your event is now in a pending status, awaiting approval from our team. Please remember to contact our sales team for any human captioning requests to ensure they are included in our upcoming schedule. Thank you for watching this short tutorial video. For more videos and written articles on this and many other topics, please visit our help desk.